Now, meteorologist Cameron Saliga and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
Well, quite the dreary day to end the weekend off. Temperatures not even hitting 80 at the Dayton International Airport. Getting up to 79 degrees, though, that is below the average for this time of year. 67 for your low overnight. And again, that is because those dew points in the upper 60s, around a tenth of an inch of precipitation at the Dayton International Airport. Other places seeing much more. Versailles upwards of a half of an inch. And that'll be moving eastward as this cell continues to move eastward over the next hour or so. And that'll bring up our totals in the eastern and central portions of the Miami Valley. Over the next 12 hours, we do have chances of showers, but they really start to diminish as we get to around 11 o'clock and going through those morning hours. We should start to dry on out after the midnight hour for sure. Lows tonight are going to get down into the mid to lower 50s up north, 53 Wapakoneta, Troy at 55. As you go further south, temperatures could be just a bit warmer here in Dayton, getting down to around 58 degrees. And lows tomorrow are going to be cool as well. Starting off the work week with mid 60s all the way up in the north in Wapakoneta and Salina, so Mercer, All-Glaze County. It's going to be a little bit chilly. You might want that jacket as you head out the door tomorrow. Further south, temps getting up to 70 here in Dayton and Springboro. Eaton 70 degrees as well. Hitting the links tomorrow, it should be a pretty nice day in terms of precipitation. We don't expect to see rain tomorrow, and if we did, it would be right around 7, 8 o'clock, and it would be very light in nature. So 9 a.m., 58 degrees, and then as we get to 1 o'clock, we see those temperatures in the mid-60s, 68 by 5 p.m. Looking at the Bryant Heating and Cooling Systems time-lapse camera, as we went through the afternoon hours, we actually saw some sunshine out there that helped with destabilization of the environment, and that is what has caused some of those storms that is moving eastward here now in the Miami Valley. But we don't expect severe weather, but we do have that line of showers and storms now into the central portion of the Miami Valley. Some lightning associated with it, not much at all though, but we do see some heavy rain as it continues to move off to the east over the next hour or so. This is continuing to move eastward as we zoom on out. That low pressure just to the northwest of us. Cold front will move through as we go through the late parts of your day tomorrow. Right now, though, it's 77 degrees currently. South winds at 8 miles per hour and the dew point at 66 degrees. Overcast conditions. And where it has rained, it is cooler. 60s for Minster at 68 degrees. Greenville 73 and Eaton at 70. But places where it has not rained, it is in the upper 70s. Springboro 76, 75 for Springfield. Dew points right now are in the mid 60s. Some areas seeing 70 where it is currently raining. Troy at 70, Springfield at 72, and Dayton at 66. Future track, these shower storms start to move on out right around midnight or so. That is when they do move on out for good, and we see those mostly cloudy skies for much of the nighttime before eventually clearing out early in the morning tomorrow. Some sunshine early in the day. By the afternoon, though, as that low starts to move on through, clouds start to build on in, and that'll continue through the nighttime. We could see a chance of a light shower, but I do not expect it. And then we're dry for the rest of the week. We start off with some clouds early in the morning time on your Tuesday. Tonight, 58 for the low, showers possible, mainly early and mostly cloudy. Sun in the morning and clouds by the afternoon. Winds could get up to 15 miles per hour on your Monday. Over the next 7 days, lots of sunshine. There is that chance of a shower tomorrow in the late or into the evening and overnight hours. But other than that, we stay dry over the next 7 days. We start off the week cool, get into the 80s by Wednesday, and the weekend looks to be in the mid 80s and above average. Riley?